Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now as agreed, today I'm going to review the Juvias Place Palettes. Now you know how you like she colors pop in, yes. So we're going to review 4 of the palettes that I have today, and we're just going to discuss how you can use these things to make your eyeshadow pop. Okay. So the first one I'm going to talk about is the Douce palette. And this one is a real soft type palette. The colors are more soft tone, so it's a more neutral type with just a little pop of color with this one greenish looking thing. Now I use these for when I really want a more neutral tone. You could even spice it up, believe me, by using this color along with this. So you use this as a transition color. The transition for those who are new to makeup would be the color to the top here, like the first color you would use before you blend in the other colors into your eye look. So I would mostly use this as a transition, and then use the purple look, this kind of purple thing, lavender, whatever this is. So you can always build your looks, and I don't know why it's hot so. Like, why the flip is this place so hot? What the jail is this? This dry weather thing in the Caribbean is like, sorry about that. That was a moment. Okay, so let's take it back to the makeup. Alright. So yeah, so you could use this for neutral looks. It's lovely. I actually use these for highlight. Oh girl. This thing is the bomb. Like, let me swatch it. You know, I'm too good at this swatching thing. You see how beautiful that looks? Now, I ain't gonna use that too heavy on your cheek and go around looking like if you play Kitty's Carnival. You would kind of blend it in, just a little bit, and it has a kind of glittery finish. It looks so nice on the cheeks. It's like a pink, a light glittery pinkish color. So you use that and you can use it on the Cupid's bow here. Yes, hunty, that thing looks so good. You see how the eye color look? Yes, if you didn't see my video this morning, the car vlog, click on it and you're gonna see how I discussed how lovely this thing is. Oh, what is wrong with these people's roads? Like, why are they barking like this? Excuse the children that you're hearing in the background. My kids are playing cricket. Nobody's being murdered. They're just playing cricket. So this here is the festival palette. This is the most colorful one. It's like the colored rain. It's colorful. You can play with this. You can mix and match, and oh my god, they blend nice. These blend beautifully. So the colors really show. So a trick to make your colors pop is to use a lighter color concealer. So I use the Elegirl Pro Concealers, but I use a color that's like whitish, close to white. And when you apply the colored eyeshadow on it, they come out really bright and pigmented. So try using that. If you find that you've been using your concealer and the colors are not popping, use a light color eyeshadow. So try and find a whitish color. It may look kind of scary when you're applying it, but believe me, when you apply the eyeshadows on them, it applies lovely. And for the Elegirl, for those who can't afford those more expensive concealers that they sell in the Caribbean here, try the Elegirl Pro. It's like about 40 something dollars, and it works really good with Juvias Place. Believe me. And this is not no kind of promotion thing. I ain't begging any dancer to be getting paid to be doing these things. I just help him, my fellow people out. Okay? Now, the next one we're gonna review is the Sahara. Yes, the Sahara 2. Oh god. Now this is what happens when you, oh Jesus. This is what happens, sorry, my children. Why are they screaming? This is what happens when you order things online sometimes and they ship to the Caribbean, and some of the shipping companies bring your thing and they break up. Like, what? Look at this dusty thing. I should have dusted this thing. I didn't even know this thing break up so much. I think it's because I hold it up just now. Anyhow, yeah. And where this thing get its stick? This is another beautiful palette to create nice neutral colors. There's a red in here. Look at this red. Look at this. It's like a burgundy-ish color. Look how beautiful this thing is. Watch now. This is so pretty. And you can use these, you could put this on a lid alone, like right at the top here, and you put a darker color to kind of transition it. Yes, hunty. I will do a look with this palette soon so that you can see what you can do with it. And the last palette is the Sahara by Juvia. So this is the Sahara one, and this was the first palette I ever purchased from them. And it mightn't look like I've been using it, but I've been using it. So it's you see how dirty it looking there. Yeah, so I use this a lot because I like this kind of silvery color. I find it looks so cool. Yes, and the gold. Look at the gold. Ugh, yummy. Yeah, these look so pretty. So these are some beautiful colors that you can. What is up with the children? Yeah, so you can use these beautiful colors. She has a whole lot of more palettes, but I have 4 for now that I have been using, and I love. I use the Juvias, the festival palettes a lot to build my colors and to build my looks, because she has some really nice colors up in her. Yes. Yeah, so she has some really nice colors up in here that you can use and build up your eye looks, and they look beautiful. And people ask you, who did that? Like today, you may walk in Pennywise and people like, oh, yes, honey. Now them awful thing with this happening on the eye. This is it. So my review on the Juvias Place Palettes is a thumbs up. It is nice. It is creamy. They blend well. They're highly pigmented. As I say, use a light concealer before you apply the eyeshadow, and they go on well. Another thing to take note too, if you're using a concealer and then you're applying the eyeshadow, sometimes if you're going to do a monochromatic look, you may, okay, let me break this down. When you're doing a look where it's building up on another look, you may need to try using the Sacha Buttercup powder after you set your concealer, and you use the buttercup a little bit there. I need to yellow up the place. Put a little bit on top of it. You need pat with your sponge or your brush, and I'm going to say broom. Good lord. Use your brush and you pat, and you clear it, and then you apply the shadow, and they apply smoothly. So yeah, I see I get some information there. But Saturday I'm going to do an in-depth video. I'm going to try to apply some makeup looks on camera. Yes, I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and let you all see me without the makeup. I have clean, nice skin hair, so easy as a step. So yes, I'm going to apply it, and you will see my steps in what I use to apply my foundation for it to look clean, nice, and not overly done. Not look like I have on a mask, and not caked on. So thank you so much for joining me. I keep hearing my kids in the background. I have 4 of them, so excuse me for the noise. So like, and it's Easter. Subscribe and continue viewing my videos. I have to say thank you so much to everybody who's been viewing. This is a journey, it's an experience, and I'm enjoying this. So I'm going to try to post every day. I said before I was only Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, but I'm going to try to post every day, saying I'm new to the dance hall or the show, and you can get familiar with Mosi. I'm a craziness, and all the eye blinking and the lips and all of that. So thank you for joining me. Yeah, I need to go. It's late and these children outside still playing. So have a blessed day, guys. Over and out.